All right, Max.
Look at the camera.
Wait, the cake.
Yeah, he's got the cake. We'll get his candle too.
Yeah.
Well, you got your one candle. Go ahead and open.
Open it.
You gonna open it?
Huh? Oh, yeah. That. Oh, that's
Wow, look. Brand new cool backpack and it's blue.
yes.
Your favorite color.
Yeah. Hope you like blue.
This is This is a cool backpack, Max. This is outdoor. Look, you can keep.
Yeah, that one there. Man,
Who
you
is
can
this from? You?
load it right up and
Thank you, Dad.
you're welcome.
Oh, that's
What
a
else
cool
you got?
backpack, Max. You're gonna have the coolest backpack in your grade. Look,
Yeah.
soft and squishy. Okay, now this one.
This one?
Sure. Nice.
Monster Jam for Nintendo DS.
DS.
Yeah.
Why a DS?
Yeah.
Why?
Look, see? This is Nintendo
You don't
DS.
have DS.
Yeah.
How do you know what it
This
is?
is a
If I don't have
this
it,
is a microwave. That's
Yeah,
not
it's a
a DS.
microwave oven. Max.
That's not a DS, you
Yeah.
liar. That's not DS.
yeah, but without.
This is. Oh, you have a DS? I don't think that's a DS, Max.
Yeah, it is.
Mom said it was DVDs.
You better open it. Find out.
Oh
See?
no, those are DVDs, Max.
See? Nintendo DS.
What?
What? All blue one. You have the coolest one, Max.
Oh man, you made out.
Wow, look at you.
Now I could get some, that.
Guitar Hero. I'll get you Guitar Hero when I get paid, okay?
Okay.
There you go. You got your DS like you always wanted. Open it. Get a knife.
Ooh.
Get a knife.
Huh?
Get a knife.
And puppy?
Look. Man.
You lost the candle?
No. I lost
Lighter matches.
You pick.
Yeah.
What'd you?
Oh.
What you got?
Um.
Candle.
18.
You got cake?
Here. Here, Max.
Oh, you got cake too?
Yeah, let me open it. You can take a picture.
Now Nintendo
This
DS.
is nice backpack, Maximo. Wow,
It is.
that's cute. Thank you.
Now
Well, it's for him, not you, so give it back to him.
Yep.
Yeah, I can use it too.
You could use it?
Yeah.
For what?
Awesome.
Okay, what you... Homemade cake.
Yeah, you made it.
You made it.
Put in the
What's it say on the...
Say happy
Remember-
birthday,
remember that-
Rafael
See, you can put
and Maximo.
the.
Oh,
So
okay.
this one plays that game too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put the candle
What?
on it.
Okay.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Wait, Rafa.
But yeah.
Okay, from
Now,
the
how come you...
gaming.
How many...
Yeah. And yeah.
Four.
Okay, you got one.
Rafa, siéntate ya, 18
No.
años. Solo que te tome fotos
You got
para
one
tener de
and eight.
recuerdos, hijo.
Alright.
Where's it? Hold on, you got another one.
Yeah, but of course, Rafael, 18. He's 18 like that?
You're right. Yeah, 1 8 is 18.
Take
But-
a picture of him like this.
Well, we're making a movie here, so...
I caught it. You're lucky I caught it. That would have been straight on the floor. See, why do you have to take so many pictures, Mom?
I wanted
Here, just... We're making a movie, so you don't have to...
Jones.
Okay, well, you gonna light the candles?
Wait.
So you're gonna do them separate? You're gonna make him do them...
Oh.
Yeah.
Don't burn me.
Yeah, with all that wrapping paper sitting there, be
Turn
careful.
the fence, Maximo, a little bit. Yeah. Turn the fence. Like blue. Making wish, Rafa. Quickly, blue.
Me.
You don't have
I
to
wish
be
I
in a
got
hurry.
car.
Don't say it out loud. It's no good.
Okay, now you
Okay,
gotta...
wait.
Now you gotta put... Where's the number?
Supposed to blow it in.
No, this was mine. Now it's your turn. See, it says
Where is
18.
my phone?
Oh.
I don't know, but you're gonna put Max... Gonna put Max's candle on?
I lose my phone, Rafa.
It's enough hours soon.
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah, it's alright.
So
Okay,
what'd you...
Maximo.
Yeah, it's Max's
Now
turn.
it's your turn.
Cake and I'll be over there.
No, put...
Maximo's turn.
Yeah, you're gonna put number
What
9.
am I going to wish for? I don't know what to wish.
Yeah, I'm gonna
You
give him a
wish
call.
whatever you want to wish, honey.
Yeah, wish, whatever.
Yeah, I'll give him a call.
But you gotta keep it to yourself.
Yeah. Don't tell anybody.
Well,
Just
what'd you
make
find on
your
the-
wish.
Come on. What could I wish for?
You better hurry up, though. You're running out of time here. Okay.
Alright,
What'd you do?
I dropped it.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I know what am I going to wish for. It's going to be funny.
It's okay.
Okay.
I wish I have a shield around me so I won't get one of these scratches.
We make a wish and blow out that candle. You get one shot.
And like, what is my phone? I need to take pictures too.
What do you look? I'll take pictures too. Hang on.